Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Math Made Easier with Delmi. Today we'll be looking at Euclidean algorithm. A Euclidean algorithm. Okay. And a Euclidean algorithm is an approach to solving the greatest common division. Okay. The greatest common divisor between two different numbers. Okay, we can also say that this the HCF. Okay, HCF, which stands for the highest common factors. The highest common factors, or we say that that's the GCD. Okay, the GCD between two different numbers, and the GCD as the greatest common divisor. Okay, the greatest common divisor. All right, so now, given that we have 54 and let's say 326. Okay, we want to find the GCD. What is the GCD? Okay, the GCD, finding the GCD. Okay, the GCD of 54 and 326. Sorry. All right. So what we do here is we take the smallest number. We take the smaller number. That is the 54. Okay, so the smaller number becomes the divisor of the larger number. So always take the smaller number and express it in terms of as a divisor of the larger number. Okay, so what we have will be so we have 326 will be divided by 54, and when you divide 326 by 54, you have 6. Okay, 6, and that will be a remainder. Okay, 6. So what we do is 326. Okay, will be equals to 326. So sorry. So 326 will be equals to 54. Okay, 54 goes in the 326 6 times. Okay, let me change to right pen. 6 times. Okay, then there will be a remainder. Okay, so plus the remainder. Okay, so what is the remainder? So that means we have to do the 54 times the 6 so that we know the remainder. So 54 times 6, we get 324, and 324, take it out of the 326, that means we have a remainder of 2. Okay, good. So that means that 54 cannot be the highest 54 cannot be the highest divisor. Okay, because 54 cannot go exactly into 326. Okay, so what you do is we pick the remainder, okay, and we express the remainder as a divisor of the 54 here that we use to divide the other one. Okay, so we have 54, okay, will be equals to, then we pick 2. Okay, 2 goes in 54 how many times? So that will be 27. Okay, so what is the remainder? The remainder is 0, so plus 0. So that means the 2 can divide 54, and at the same time the 2 can also divide 326. You can try that one. Okay, so you see that is that. Okay, so since we got 2 as the divisor that gives us a remainder of 0, so that means that the GCD of the highest common factor, okay, the GCD of 54 and 326 is this number 2 is 2. Okay, good. Now we can also, with this, okay, with this GC that we got, we can end up getting the linear combination for the two numbers. Okay, the linear combination. And when you say linear combination, say the linear combination, okay? Linear combination. Now, for linear combination, it means that in how many ways can we combine the two numbers that we are dealing with, okay? In how many ways can you combine the two numbers to get the divisor, to get the GCD? All right, so since the two numbers that we are using are 54, okay, and 326, so that means that in how many ways can we combine 54? So let's say 54 times x, okay, then plus 326 times y. Okay, in how many ways can we combine this to give us the GCD? Equals GCD. Okay, so that would be the linear combination. Now remember, the GCD, we got the GCD to be 2, so that means that we have 54, okay, 54x plus 326y equals 2. Now from the beginning, okay, from the GCD approach, okay, we got that 54 equals twice of 27 plus 0. Okay, so we can pick this equation. Okay, pick this equation. So we have that 54 equals 2 times 2 of 27 plus 0. Okay, then so we know that from the previous of that, okay, we have here 326 equals 54 times 6 plus 2. So we can make 2 the subject from this equation here. Okay, so we have, that means we have this implies that 326, okay, equals, from that equation previous, we have equals 54 times 6, okay, plus 2. So making 2 the subject, we have 326 equals, sorry, 326 minus, sorry, 326 minus 54, sorry, minus 54 times, minus 54 times 6, 54 times 6, that will be equal to 2. Okay, so it means that even we don't need this. We don't need this. Okay, you don't need this. All right, you just need this, where you have the 2 in the 2 as an expression of 54 and 326. So here we have expressed the 2, okay, in terms of the 2 numbers we are using, the 326 and the 54. So that means that the linear combination of 326 and 54, okay, using the Euclidean algorithm or Euclidean algorithm, it's 326 minus 54 times 6 equals 2, and that's so this is our linear combination, and the GCD is 2. That is it. Thank you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification button.